So we're at the Robinson Center in Eastern Kentucky at Quicksand to celebrate the heritage and mountain agriculture here in the area. Opportunities like today help us connect the mission of the research from campus that tells us that vibrant local spaces help communities and opportunities across all walks of life.
It gives us an opportunity to be a good neighbor and invite people in to see what we do every day, dealing with livestock, dealing with hay crops and things that people locally may be dealing with at home, and they get to see our farm and maybe get some tips on how to do things better.
It's to take that scientific information coming from our research programs and deliver that back down here to the grassroots and the folks here, but then also take some of those ideas and take them back to our researchers and say, I need a solution for this, or this is one of our challenges, can you help us overcome it?
You know, it's one thing for me to go to a meeting and put up a picture of something and show somebody something, but if I get them out here, you know, I can put it in their hand and they can touch it, they can feel it, and they can really see what we're talking about. And that to me is the value of field days.
And we want the youth to know that they have an opportunity to maybe do something that they've learned about at home from their grandfather or from their family that's been passed down. There's an opportunity for them to come here and work, to do research, and to put that research and that love back into the community.